live from Iqbal Stadium, Faisalabad. This is day number 1, and it's a big one. The defending champions Karachi Whites taking on Islamabad. Right, the big news coming. It's the Karachi Whites winning the toss and deciding to bat first. That's how their 11 make up. Saud Shakil, Khwaja Nafe, Shan Masood, Khurram Manzoor, Sadiq, Mohammad Taha, Danish Aziz, Sohail Khan. Look at the stars in that side. Lots of big names. That had Mohammad Umar, the all-round cricketer. So that's they are the defending champions. Also, a very, very good side. A young Islamabad region, Ali Imran, we all know him. He's a very good all-round cricketer. Shamil Hussain from under 19. Royal Nazir from under 19 also. Sarmad Bhatti, Arsal Sheikh, Farmanullah Khan, and Mohammad Musa also in that side. But there are young players. We'll get to know them as the tournament progresses. Right, the first delivery. Middle of the bat. Nice. As I welcome along former captain Salman Butt. A very good evening.
So one swing on, and there goes the finger. First blood, this is Khwaja Nafe. He feels unlucky.
He was swinging in the air, but Islamabad will take it. That's a great start. Let's have a look. There's no problem at this end. Salman swung in late.
Well, with replay, because it seemed as if the batter isn't happy. It feels as if he has edged it. Smashed in the gap and towards the bigger boundary, but still it will have the legs to go and hit the fence for the first boundary, as the second over is bowled and it's 11 for 1. Once again he goes hard, and this time through mid-on and mid-wicket, another boundary. So Karachi Whites are now starting to flow.
That's smacked. 1 bounce, 2 bounces over the rope. That's Khurram Manzoor. That's how he likes playing. That's the role that has been given to him. Oh, he's heaved it. Lucky for him. Lucky for him. Towards third for 4. He's going to go after you regardless, wherever you want to bowl to him.
He'll have to just do something like that. Use of the feet, creates his own angle, and hits it through the covers.
In T20 cricket. Oh, that was close to the fielder. But we'll run down to the third boundary for 4. He will take it.
हाल ही में चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में अच्छा खेल कर आए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर मिस फील्डिंग हो गई, जिसका नतीजा हुआ 4 रन्स। और शॉट खेला लाजवाब खुर्रम मंसूर ने, और गेंद गजों आगे गई।
बहुत एक्सपीरियंस बॉलर है मोहम्मद मूसा, लेकिन पहली बॉल सही जगह पर नहीं पड़ी और बहुत बेहतरीन शॉट खेला है ये खुर्रम शहजाद ने।
बोल्ड, ये जल्दी हिसाब साफ किया और अक्रॉस द लाइन खेल गए, अपनी ऑफ स्टंप से हाथ धो बैठे खुर्रम मंसूर।
खुर्रम यहाँ पे क्रॉस शॉट खेलते हुए बोल्ड हुए हैं। नो बॉल चेक करेंगे। लीगल डिलीवरी है ये मूसा की तरफ से। बिल्कुल क्रॉस गए, यहाँ पे लाइन रिसीव हुई और एक बेहतरीन आउट मूसा के लिए। दूसरी विकेट इस्लामाबाद की जानिब से।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल भी ये शॉट गेंद नहीं थी। खुर्रम मंसूर जानते हैं कि इस शॉट का अच्छा इंतखाब नहीं था। उनने बनाए 29, अच्छा खेल रहे थे 52 पर 2। उम्दा शॉट खेला, लेफ्ट शॉट सऊद शकील का, और ये उनका खासा, इससे वो महसूस हुए होंगे यकीनी तौर पर मूसा की रफ्तार को काम मिला है। एक और उनका शॉट खेला दिलकश तरीके से सऊद शकील ने, और ये महज अपना बल्ला गेंद तक लेकर गए। उनकी प्लेसमेंट काबिल तारीफ, काबिल सताइश। अच्छा शॉट, कट शॉट खेला सऊद शकील ने, एक बार फिर प्लेसमेंट उनकी कारगर रही और चौका पाया।
Tall off spinner bowling in the right areas, and the Pakistan Test captain, well, he'll have to go. Rashid Riaz says it's pad first, and dejected look on the face of Khurram Manzoor, who is looking at this game from the dugout, as Arsal picks up a very important wicket.
Yes, there are no reviews out here. Let's have a second look. Oh, impact outside off. That's what it seems like. Yeah, no wonder that he was a bit dejected with that. 8 for Shan Masood. It's 75 for 3. Well, that's a bad ball. That had to be put away. Half tracker down the leg side. 4.
Farmanullah, his first delivery.
That's the man there, square of the wicket. That's a shot, and the man available straight into the hands. He's elevated that, but he's played it straight to Kaleem. That is wicket number 4.
And the front foot is absolutely fine. Bit of Sikandar Raza in this action, hiding the ball behind his back, and safely pouched. Taha scoring 9 of 13 deliveries that he faced.
Oh, it's gone through. It was a quicker one, straight away allowing Danish to get off the mark with a boundary. It was fired in by Nasir and it's gone as quick as it came.
क्योंकि आसान नहीं था उस वक्त सऊद जो हैं जिस तरह के फॉर्म में लग रहे थे और इसे चलता किया 4 रन आसानी के साथ पाए सऊद शकील ने। ये गेंद लेग स्टंप के खासी बाहर थी और सजावार थी बाउंड्री की।
ये देखिए अच्छी पुश किया था उन्होंने, स्ट्रेट पे देख लिया था। इस बार बड़ा हिट और फील्डर वहाँ मौजूद है सीधा उनके हाथ में। अली इमरान है फील्डर, बहुत ही आसानी से कैच लिया और दानिश अजीज़ को चलता किया। एक अहम मौके पे विकेट हासिल किया नसीर ने।
आसान नहीं है इनकी गेंदों पर हवा में उछाल देना गेंद को, इसलिए लॉन्ग ऑन के फील्डर को मात नहीं दे सके। एक आसान सा कैच गया लेकिन उससे भी मुकम्मल किया जाना ज़रूरी था, बखूबी कर दिखाया। यहाँ पर अली इमरान ने दानिश अजीज़ बना सके 12, 116 पे 5।
Give a bit of a leeway to the fielders in the deep. Nice looking shot. Backed away, made some room for himself and he's played that to perfection.
And Saud once again through the line.
That's high in the air and just tips over. Maximum from Saud Shakil.
But seems like we might be seeing more like this from him, using the pace of Musa towards the boundary.
Oh, he's picked that up, but to the field. Catching has been good this time around. Saud Shakil goes and probably no questions asked because now we're now moving into that final over of the innings. Again, the fact maybe the idea was right, the shorter part of the ground, but he just couldn't time it. Shamil Hussain takes the catch. And Karachi Whites lose their 6th wicket. 146 is the score. Saud Shakil 76.
Keeping the innings together, holding it. As this one is hit over point and will be a boundary. One bounce across the ropes. Saad getting some valuable runs so far.
Well, he's got a boundary. Wasn't the intention to play there, but well, the result, they'll take that. Slower one. He's got too much height. Absolutely no distance. And he's been dropped. That's not the first time that Islamabad is dropped to catch. And this time Ali Imran got under it. Be a question that'll be asked because it is not wet conditions out there. But they still managed to drop quite a few. End of the innings, 159 for 6. So 160 is the target for Islamabad in this opening game of the National T20.
And appreciate their effort. And here's the scorecard. Karachi Whites. Nafe would consider himself unlucky. Was out or not. Saud batting through 76 of 50 was brilliant. Khurram Manzoor providing an electrifying start. 29 of 17. Shan came in 8 of 12. Wasn't happy with the decision. Taha coming in getting 9 and he was also not getting the timing out. Danish came in, scored 12 of 12. Then he went and in the end Saad and Saqib putting on 18 and 5 respectively, getting Karachi Whites to 159 for 6.
Islamabad region, they're bowling. 2 wickets each for Musa and Nasir and a wicket each for Umair and Arsal. 159 for 6. Let's have a look at their innings, Salma. How they started off with Nafe and Captain Saud Shakil when they won the toss.
159 for Karachi Whites and 160 the target for Islamabad.
Right, the first delivery of the run chase. Swing early on. You expect that from Sohail Khan. Such an experienced campaigner as just mentioned. Wanted to go big. Very lucky. Extremely lucky Shamil Hussain. That's inside edge for 4. Oh yes, this is the catch. This one is taken. Hitting it straight back to Umar, who makes no mistake. And the first one for Karachi Whites is Shamil Hussain. Yeah, there is no problem. It's good presence of mind, good catch. They're never easy, but he took it with some comfort. He was being itchy a little. Shamil Hussain was not getting those boundaries to go back after scoring 6 runs. It's 7 for 1. He's picked that one. That's nice. That's handsome. That's into the stands. From Ali Imran. We know that he can play. He can hit big. And he did it with some ease.
Slight bit of mistake and the batter strikes. On the leg side, a shorter delivery made it easy for the batter to hit that one.
Fielder there. Makes no mistake. Beautifully held. Saqib Khan the fielder. Umar gets the second one. Nasir the batter.
That'll be a fair delivery. High arm release there is. And Saqib takes a clean catch. They have been better on the field. Nazirullah Khan will have to go for 2 runs only. 2 for 17.
अली इमरान है और रोहेल नज़ीर दानिश अजीज़ का सामना करेंगे और स्पिन का किरदार आज की शाम बड़ा अहम है और पहली गेंद पर कर दिखाया दानिश अजीज़ ने. अच्छा कैच विकेट कीपर का. गेंद टर्न हुई और रोहेल के पास उसका कोई जवाब नहीं था.
यहाँ पर एक शानदार गेंद. पहली बॉल अपने स्पेल की और दानिश अजीज़ जो है उनको स्ट्रेट अवे नए बॉल के साथ टर्न मिला और एक अच्छा कैच कीपर का। कराची वाइट्स की टीम अब इस मैच के ऊपर इनकी गिरफ्त जो है मजबूत है कि ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है इस्लामाबाद के प्लेयर्स में। रोहेल नज़ीर 1 रन बना के आउट हुए 20 पे 3। बहुत ही एक समझदार फास्ट बॉलर है। ये गेंद अच्छा है और इस बार बड़ी अपील और जाना होगा। सरमद सोहेल खान से ऊपर बैटिंग पे आए थे तो यकीनन कुछ ना कुछ बैटिंग में इनके पास होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो देखने को मिल रहा है अच्छे ऑलराउंडर की निशानियाँ हैं। मीडियम फास्ट बॉलिंग और एक विकेट हासिल की रन है, कोई मसला नहीं फ्रंट फुट के साथ।
जहां ऑन द खेलना चाहते थे, जो इस पिच पर बिल्कुल आसान नहीं है, ज़्यादा देर कर दी। आसान सा कैच 7 के लिए आज की शाम का दूसरा। सरमद ने बहुत ज़्यादा जहमत नहीं दी स्कोरर्स को, उन्होंने बनाया 4 और 27 पर 4 इस्लामाबाद।
And he's launched that into the night sky for a maximum. He's planted that left foot to the pitch of the ball and swung his bat. Oh yes, told you watch him. Didn't read that wrong one. Straight away into that off stump. Ali Imran is a good batter and he has deceived him. All ends out.
Yeah, there is no issue. There's no problem at this end, but it's the other end. Yep, set him up. There was no googly ball in the previous over. Not that he was expecting this one to be a leg spin, but not to be. As you said, he's a good player, but deceived by some quality bowling of Arif. They'll have to go back after scoring 26. It's 63 for 5.
अपने लिए अच्छे फील्डर लगे, अच्छे क्रिकेटर लग रहे हैं। हाल ही में प्रेसिडेंट ट्रॉफी जीतने वाली पीटीवी की टीम में शामिल थे। 4 रन मिले, उम्दा शॉट खेला।
बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्टेड था कि बारिश हो सकती है और ओले पड़ना शुरू हो गए यहाँ पे बहुत तेजी से।
ज़्यादा बारी हो रही,
हो सकता है मैच ज़्यादा देर के लिए रुक जाए यहाँ।
Just have a quick look at the batting card where the game stopped. Islamabad region in all sorts of trouble. 73 for 5 in 13.1 overs. None of them could stand in front of that new ball. 26 for Ali Imran was the highest score. And Islamabad was nowhere close to that 160 to win that game. The bowling card for Karachi Whites, they were all on top of the opposition. 2 for Umar. 1 each for Danish Saqib and Arif Yaqub. Eventually, just a quick look at the match summary where the toss was won by Karachi Whites and they posted 159 for 6 with Saud Shakil, the captain, scoring 76 for 50. Islamabad 73 for 5, and that is the moment when rain came down and the play was stopped, and still heavy drizzle at the moment. So it was declared that Karachi Whites have won this match by 26 runs through DLS method.